maybe we add, if you bring the pitch, we add here to.
There's a little flap right here.
Yeah, you can add.
Did you bring your pitch from your piece?
I have my piece here. Yeah.
Because I want to save this pitch to use on another piece.
Okay. Okay.
Should I go ahead and
wash your hand? Okay. Again. Yeah. Good.
My piece is still in my pitch because I haven't finished it yet.
It's still too
I
warm.
don't. I have just this one.
She only
Okay,
has this one.
we do this one.
Okay.
Maybe is enough.
Is it enough?
Yeah. Okay. Tell.
Did you rotate it because of the angle of the...
Yeah,
rotate it this way. Yeah, because it's sliding. You forget about that. It's like bread dough. I can't see. Can you see it?
I see. It's okay. That side is these two sides.
Little boy, he's so sweet.
Yeah, it's good. Good job.
He's so cute.
Okay.
Turn it over.
Okay. Add water. Pushing. Bravo. Good job. Okay, not too much. Be careful. Okay.
Oh my God. I can feel it airborne.
Okay. Turn again.
Turn over.
And
Can you see it like this?
you see
Turn it
again.
on its sides. Go four-way around.
Oh, you want to bring up against the edge so it doesn't pop.
Because too much. Because it's cold and it's good.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Yours is like nice and...
But it's beautiful. I can feel soft spots in it.
I could